First of all, thank you everyone for being here. We're really excited to have the meeting again this year, and excited to have switched locations to Silverado. As you can see, it's just a terrible time of year in Napa and some pretty awful weather. So apologies for that. We'll try to order some better weather and better grapes next year. Please take a look at your syllabus, especially the faculty, to remind you of the updates. We had one of our faculty was unable to make it last minute, and so we had to shift some things around. But Dr. Gray will be back hopefully next year. But please take a look at the updated syllabus. Restrooms are across the lawn, downstairs, and just past the Umpqua Bank regional meeting. So if you want to get some financial information, you can go into there by accident. The breakout sessions, which are new this year and hopefully will be very informative and a lot of fun. If you look at your badge, there should be A, B, and C on it, and so that's kind of where you start. For those of you who do not have an A, B, and C on your badge, you can sort of start where you want and go from there. But the breakouts are going to be hopefully a good sort of adjunct to the meeting, let us get a little bit more hands-on and be able to kind of get us up and moving around. Lunch, as a reminder, is sort of a working lunch today, a panel on robotics, so we'll be in here with a boxed lunch, and then at the end of today there is a happy hour, which I hope we can all attend. Big thank you to my co-chair, Dr. Barry, for all of his hard work on this course, and for inviting some of our newer faculty. Big thank you to Aaron Simon for organizing the course, and thank you to our industry sponsors. We certainly couldn't hold the course without them. With the industry sponsors, on the green sheet, there's a little check box. So if you go around and visit our industry sponsors and get them to kind of check you off and talk to them, then tomorrow there will be a raffle. The winner of that raffle will get their hotel covered 3 nights for the weekend. So it's pretty solid raffle prize. Any questions that come up during the course, just let Jeff and I know, and also the same thing with feedback. Jeff, I forget anything? All right, and thank you all for being here. Really excited to get started. So I'm going to have Nader come up and start off with moderating our first panel.